Your poi is in your, let's say it's all the way, you hold it all the way down here between your index finger. And let's say you're like this, you like to have a closed fist. The first thing you do is you open your hand and you learn how to spin it like this, where you're just using the pinch of these two fingers, right? So it's just this pinch that's holding it in place, not the whole rest of the hand. Then second, what you do is you take your thumb and you get your thumb onto the knob here, okay, while you're spinning. So now the thumb is on the knob. Then the third thing you do is you take the index finger and slip it on the other side of the leash. And then you pull the leash with your thumb all the way down into the L of your hand like this. And now you have it down here. And now you're set up to do your spiral. And then to go in reverse, you use your thumb to roll it out to the tip of your fingers. Then you take your index finger, put it back in between, and then pull it into the crevice between the index finger and the tall finger. And now you've gone both ways. And then if I showed you from this side, I don't know which side's better. Okay, so you're like this with your hand closed. You open your hand, you take your thumb, you put it on the knob, you remove your index finger and put it on the other side of the leash like that. So now it's on the, now all of the hands are on this side of the leash, all of the fingers rather, it's only one hand. And you use your thumb and you roll it with your thumb back into the crack. So you're at the tip of your fingers, you roll it into the crack. So now it's all the way down there. Now you're set up for your spiral. Or this way, whichever way you're going. I mean, we were overhand, so. I mean, you do the same exercise with the overhand spinning and underhand spinning. And then what you do is you use your thumb to push it back out to the tip. So now you have it at the tip of your fingers. Now you're gonna hold it between your second finger and your thumb, and you move your index finger on the other side of the cord, and then you pinch and pull it down back to where you started.